Like, what was I doing? Oh, nice. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, 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 one at a time, friend. Oh, are you in? I got, hey, I got shit I gotta go to. Shit I gotta do, bud. Don't shoot me in the back. It's rude. I mean, don't do that. That's what you get. Um, okay, guys. What's the play here? M249? Fuck it, M249. I have a SKS I've never even, like, I fired twice. Fucking SKS. Okay. I gotta move. I don't think anyone's to my right. Should take a peek, though, shouldn't I? Oh, it's a long hill. Okay. Okay. That rock? Rock is in. A lot of shady spots around here. Oh, found one. Okay, he's running away. Go kill somebody. Please go kill someone. Make it easy for me. Yes, 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 yes. You're over there. Okay, thank you. Alright, two guys. Two guys in front of me. And I gotta go to one of them. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I know I should probably push that, but like, I have no... Oh shit. Hi. How? 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 How did you even hit me with that fucking desync? You... Good game. Good game. I'm sorry for that. Good game. I'm not mad. Good job, guys.